working population of Moray is 2003, was nearly 14,000, of which around 34,000 were employers and 6,000 self-employed. Of these 34,000, of these 34,000, 31% are employed in the public sector, compared with 27% for Scotland and 25% for the UK. Compared to Scottish or British levels, average incomes in Moray are low. The average wage in 2003 was 286 pounds per week, which was 12% below the Scottish average and 18% below the British. These figures reflect the large amount of part-time employment with fewer qualified workers and less managerial and professional jobs. 16% of resident and commute, which is relatively high. Of these, two-thirds work in Aberdeen or Aberdeenshire, mainly in the oil and gas industry. These outcommuters